Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I think so you are fit and fine. So today I will tell you that how can you learn vocabularies, because if you want to speak English, so vocabularies is most important in our speaking, because when we have no vocabularies, so we will not make sentences, we will not speak where like a paragraph or sentence. So how can you learn vocabularies? I'm going to share with you these tips and tricks to learn English. Okay, to learn vocabularies, so follow these tips to learn vocabularies. All right, so first tip is, if you want to learn vocabularies, you can go on Chrome browser of Google, and then you can search 10 list of words meanings, 10 lists of family word meanings. Like, you can search on Chrome browser, then you will get many vocabularies, like which type of topic you have searched on Chrome or YouTube. Yes guys, you can learn vocabularies also from YouTube. Yes guys, you can learn from YouTube. Yes, so if you search on YouTube that some vocabularies in English, so you will get. Yes guys, so this kind of thing I want to share. This is a first tip. Okay, so second tip is that if you want to learn vocabulary, so you can download Chat GPT. Yes guys, if you go on YouTube if you go on Play Store, so you can search Chat GPT, means AI. So if you search on Play Store, then you will definitely get a app which name is Chat GPT. If you say so, I will give a link in my description box, then you will click on the description on the link, and then you will go on Play Store, and then you will install it. All right, so if you install it, so if you have any question, like in Hindi, in any languages, he will tell you everything, because this is a AI. You know, AI as a, like, you can say, is a human, like a human robot. Yes, so if you search on Chat GPT that if 10 family 10 words related to family, then Chat GPT will give you 10 words related to family. If you search 10 word meanings related to friends, then he will give. If you say on Chat GPT that 10 please give me 10 sentences to speak in front of family, so he will give you. Okay, so if you download Chat GPT, then this is the benefits of downloading Chat GPT. And third point is, if you want to learn vocabularies, so you can subscribe YouTube channels like Informative G, English G, Informative English. Yes, sorry, I was saying wrong. First is Informative English, and second is English G. If you search on YouTube, then you will get these channels, and then you have to subscribe these channels. If you go in if you go in in these channels, so you will get many videos related to word meanings, related to vocabularies. Yes guys, nowadays I'm also learning vocabularies from these channels. That's why I want to share with you all. Yes, so if you search on YouTube that some vocabularies like Informative English, English G, many channels are there. So if you search on YouTube, then you will get. All right, so I think so this video is very informative for you all, because in this video I told you all the 3 tips to learn vocabularies. Yes guys, if you want to speak English, if you want to learn English, so this is very important in our English speaking, because if we have no words to say, so how we will say? We will not say, because we have no words. If I say, what is this? This is grass. Yes, this is grass. So how I said, because I know. How did I say? Because I know this is grass. In English, I know this is grass. Ghas in English, grass. Yes, so if I say like behind the grasses, what is this? So place, like soil. Yes, what is meaning of soil? Soil meaning is mitti. So you can say the grasses grew up in uh, in soil. Okay, so I can say, we cultivate paddy in soil, I can say. So if we have words, words, if we have words, if you have verbs, then we will speak English fluently and confidently. We will not get stuck. Why we are getting stuck? Because we have no vocabularies. So this is all about thing that I want to share with you all, that if you want to speak English, so you have to learn this kind of vocabularies and verbs. Verb means what? Which kind of we do work, this is called verb. Like khelna, baithna, chalna, khana, this is verbs. Word meanings like घास, कपड़ा, आँख, नाक, मुंह, mobile, camera, cover, like this word meanings. So I think so you have all understood completely. So must subscribe my channel, must like this video for like these videos, and press the bell icon to get updates of my videos. Okay, so I'll see you in next video, friends. Thank you all.